What's happening, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the Dukes of Off-Road Hazard. It's KOH prep time. It's Sunday. We watch King of the Motos today. We're headed out Wednesday morning at 0500, so we have a lot of prep to do. We have a couple days off in between now and Wednesday, February 1st, so we got a lot to do. Let's check out a list of stuff we have to do. All right, so Jess is trying to figure out some wiring stuff. We're gonna wire in a mirror. We got the old Can-Am back. We got RC cars. We got RC car parts here. We got RC car parts that we've been ordering thousands of dollars worth of crap for. Airtronics, we got HPI Blitzes, we got four-wheel drive freaking Slashes, we got a RC car here. But main thing is we have the old Can-Am back. And this is a lot of prep, let me tell you. Jess and I have been working on the car for the past couple weeks. We installed a rear view camera and a front view camera for when we go over these ledges out at King of the Hammers. We have a lot of wiring to do. There's some wiring down there. Here's the mirror we're going to be installing, right, buddy?
Yep.
What's underneath that mirror?
LEDs.
Bam.
Interior lights.
So we're going to have some interior lighting because we have nothing up in here to be able to see. So nice 17-inch mirror with LED lighting underneath. And let's get some wiring done, bud.
Yep. Nope, there's no power.
You ain't got power to that sucker? Lick them both. Nothing? Dang it. All right, when you have all these stupid toys, like a lot of maintenance. This girl, she's a lot of maintenance. There's the front camera that we installed the other day. Totally forgot to do a video on it. But just tools galore. Like tools. So we need some electrical tools. So I need to install some lighting, there's some electrical, some more electrical. Yeah, where's all the good electrical stuff? Just so much stuff. You know, OB2 scanners, some screwdrivers, some knickknacks, and, you know, souvenirs. Oh, there we are. Here we go. Cool-Jet. We got the Cool-Jet. Okay, cool your jets, bro. Cool your jets. Cool-Jet. All right. What gauge here? 16? 14? 32 9er? Alpha beta? Oh, that's fucking tiny. All right, so we snaked the wire down into here, behind the old TV, going down to the center console. Jess, let's just do a little test run. There's the switch for her.
Switch is on.
Okay, so and here's the mirror. Ooh, she pretty girl. Look at that. It's so bright. Holy smokes. Let's hit that switch. Back. Oh, yeah. That's going to be nice. All right, now time to get this mirror in since we got the drop down seat brackets. So we take the ball, looks like a femur piece for when you break your femur. You just drop it in. This is the bottom of the mirror. Drop these balls in through the top. Bam, bam. And then we have these spacers kind of cupped right there for the ball. So we got the cup part. We're going to drop that in. So now that cupped part is dropped in. And then you're going to take the plugs and just drop these suckers in. Which I probably should throw some Loctite on these guys. But whatever.
No, because you'll have access to these for a while anyways.
True. Allen key.
Did I drop a plug in already?
I don't think you...
Yeah, I did.
Oh, you did.
Oh, there's spare plugs.
I bet because they wear out.
Oh, probably.
Now we're going to mount the roll cage mounts for these guys. TV looks good. It works good. Interior light for the mirror. All right, let's get this mount on the cage. All right, now that we got the light rearview mirror installed. Let's give her a test hit. Bam! Lights up so good in here. Bitchin' mirror. That looks good.
Send it.
Make that perfect cut now.
Okay, we'll do.
I like it.
Okay, 2 more.
Oh, those ones are gonna be fun.
Can't hear shit.
Dude, my ears. I got ear protection. You want some?
Too late.
Don't hit the plastic. No. It's we gotta angle that one. Don't hit the plastic.
Don't.
I just lost the plastic. Oh, you hit the plastic. I
Always
saw
got
it.
your safety glasses on.
Yeah, good one. All right, so the reason we did that is because we're lowering this seat 2 inches. So we lowered that one 2 inches. We're gonna lower this sucker 2 inches. We're gonna ride the seat mount all the way to the base of that. We're gonna take it to the base. And so the seat would hit those 2 arches. So we had to cut it out. And it's nice.
Brand new, huh? You never even use this thing.
I use it often. I do. It's a good unit. Milwaukee Fuel, dude. Only the best way to
Did you
go.
get it from some guy that like just decided to walk?
I got it from the Home Depot.
He's like,
So
catch
these
it if you can, Papa.
are the brackets from here. Hold me on.
America.
All right. So these are just simple brackets that will now bolt onto the lower bolt unit or bolt hole of the seat mount and lower the seat.
Like this?
No, go down. Yeah, like that.
Oh yeah, like this.
Bam.
And then they mount below it.
Yep. All right. So we got
Yeah.
the wiring still to do. These seat mounts still to do. And we're looking good. We're looking good. So much other little things. We put a new rugged pumper on here. We put the hoses, magnetic hoses on each side for the kids that sit back here. We got the magnetic hoses for driver and co-pilot. We got a PCI pumper, rugged pumper, SMB. Good stuff. All right, first things first, before we head to King of the Hammers, you gotta make the old truck shiny. So we got the old mop in hand. We're gonna make this sucker shiny. Let's check it out. Oh yeah, she's a dirty girl from this rain. I love this little soap gun deal. But yep, she's dirty on this side. She never gets this dirty. I can't believe I've neglected her like this. Look at that. Gross. Time to start scrubbing. Yay. All right, things that make it so easy to wash big old vehicles. The old Spotless DI water. It's flawless. No need to rinse off, rinse, but no need to dry off. A dare. All right, well, she cleans up good, huh? Nice and shiny, thank you. Projet Ceramic BS. Man, shit sucks. Anyways, water still does not beat off, but I mean, it looks shiny, just like a typical wax. Gosh, she looks good though. For a almost 20-year-old truck, not bad. All right, guys, 2023 KOH. Are you able to make it? If not, follow Dukes of Off-Road Hazard, and we're gonna see you up in Hammertown. Let's go. All right, starting off to a beautiful Wednesday morning, February 1st, 2023. We got a full tank. We got 45,356 on the odometer, and we're headed to Johnson Valley. Let's do it. big turn up the hill. Dodging folks on wheelchairs. We just pin it straight up into the mountains, into them there hills that have eyes. All right, we finally made it. Stoked. Got some spectator stuff, books, and goodies. We're officially in Hammertown, USA, where we have camp still set up. It's gonna be so much work, all by myself, all by my lonesome out here. We have about 10 rigs coming in and out over the next 2 weeks, 10, 15 different rigs. So I went ahead and quarantined off an area, and look at this little helicopter flyby right there. Quarantined an area in a bitchin' spot. Take a look. So this is gonna be home for the next 2 weeks right here. We have turkey claw back here. We kind of pan around. This is our caution tape. Thank you, Jess. We got Hammertown way down there. And we just have camp. Hopefully 15 units can fit within this circle. But yep, 2 weeks right here. It's gonna be amazing. All right, so enough of the chit chat. We have camp to set up. We gotta get this big old sucker leveled. We gotta get the car out of the trailer, which, ooh, she close to that wall. Look how close we got her. It's perfect. But yep, we have a lot to do. All right, guys, first night at KOH, Wednesday. If you guys can't make it, follow along. I'm going to be posting all the races, all the shenanigans that's going on. Turkey Claw, Backdoor, Chocolate Thunder, Jack Hammer, this hammer, that hammer. Like, subscribe, and let me know what you guys want to see. Turkey Claw. Yes.